Take 3. Oh! Damn it! Bollocks!
Looks like not a good idea.
Yeah, I think we worked that one out. Scales are fucked.
Oh no.
Balls!
Okay.
Word of warning, never use Blu Tack to bang an end, it becomes unstable itself.
Okay, that's not a good idea.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's gone.
Balls. There goes the touch paper. It's too late, once it's lit, it's lit. Oh well, we have to make some more of that. Not quite sure what happened there actually.
Hey?
I don't know what happened there.
Blue Tack blew out.
That scales are knackered anyway.
Whoa!
Fuck. G12, a fail on Blu Tack Blug.